guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today, I'm doing an unboxing of some BH cosmetic brushes that I finally got in the mail today. I heard about these brushes from a YouTuber named Slim Roche. She is a sweet baby. She has tutorials of all kinds of different types of like makeup and brushes, how to use them, what to use if you're on like a budget, all kinds of stuff. So go over to her page and check her out. But she also had a really good video for the younger auntie delegation, like myself, budget items to purchase for like beginner makeup. I've been wearing basic makeup for quite some time, but I'm not well versed in a lot of things. So I stumbled upon her page, and she suggested these brushes because they are a decent quality, they're a decent price, and she's used them along with some of her higher end stuff too. So let's get into this unboxing. So this is the BH Studio Pro 13-piece brush set. Now let me tell you, I didn't know I would even need 13 brushes, but there's obviously 13 or more different things you can do with makeup on your face. So on the back, it tells you every type of brush that comes in it, which I appreciate because otherwise I wouldn't know. It's face and eye brushes. It says it's durable, densely packed synthetic bristles that work with liquids, creams, and powders to create a polished, full face look with ease. It has a
deluxe fan brush, a tapered powder brush, a small contour brush, flat top buffing brush, a pointed crease brush, a blending crease brush, flat shader brush, small pointed crease brush, a small flat shader brush, a lip brush, a flat eyeliner brush, a bent liner brush, and an angled liner spoolie brush.
So I'm going to show you these, but I'm not going to use them today because honestly, your girl just don't know how. So I might take this to my friend Carmen, who does makeup, for her to just lay it all out for me. So it comes out like this. And they are all packed like this. I may actually look online for a cute little holder. It comes individually wrapped for all the brushes, but I'm gonna need something else to put them in. So they come wrapped like this. And they're very, very soft. This is a soft ass brush. Let's just take them all out so I can show you how they come. I appreciate them being wrapped individually. So these are those. And they're super soft. Oh my goodness. That's gonna feel great on my face. We'll take some out. Oh, it has numbers on them. It has numbers on the back. I'm sorry, y'all. My nails are terrible. But you see those numbers? The numbers coincide with this on the back. So it tells you what they are, even though I know what a spoolie is. I know. But I like this a lot. This little fan holder. This reminds me of the chairs aunties used to sit in back in the day. The little, that's just fun. This has number 1. It's the first brush. So I'm going to keep them stored in this box until I can get a makeup holder. And I will make another video using these brushes after I unbox some more things that I watched. So the next video is me unboxing a couple of items that I got from the Crayon case. So watch that. Here is the box. I ordered the Contourzition palette as well as some liquid eyeliner. I like the names of her products, but I also like how they look. I have been wanting to contour for a long time. So my packing stuff is in here. And then it's just inside this box. And it says the Crayon case. I low-key might keep this box just because. But I got the Line Me liquid liner. And it's a fine point liquid liner because I do want to learn to line my eyes better. And what's it say? Merchandise return. So if I ever need to send something back, I can just use this little slip. But this is the Contourzition notebook. And it slid out of there. But it comes in like a little notebook, which is adorable. But what I appreciate about this too, not only is her face brown like mine, but it shows you where, holy God, it shows you where to put each thing. It's hard to see on here, but you can see it on here. So there's the Pink Me, there's Trophy, Ross, Bricky, Raven, and Bobby. I know who Bricky is. I follow her, but I think Raven may be her sister. But this is how it looks on the inside. It does show you how to use these things because otherwise your girl would be confused. So I am going to combine my BH Cosmetic brushes with my Contourzition notebook because I know that there's shading and there's highlighting. So this is going to be great to use because I have seen this on brown skin. That's important to me. Makeup companies who generally only put their makeup on lighter skinned women or white women, I can't relate. So I've only purchased makeup from Black owned companies that market to Black women or companies that have a wide range of shades that I can test on. So I will be ordering more from the Crayon case. Absolutely. I want the eyeshadow palette because that is popping. And then I would like a couple of other things as well. So thank you for watching this unboxing. There will be a video of me using these items on another day. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, y'all have a good day.